Good morning, everyone.
Good morning!
Now let us proceed to our next discussion, which is about measurement and geometry, right, acute, and obtuse angles. But before that, let us have first our objectives. Please read.
At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to define right, acute, and obtuse angles based on their measurements, construct angles using a protractor accurately, and show appreciation for the importance of angles in real-world applications.
According to Wall and Ray 2019, measurement and geometry are foundational areas in mathematics that allow us to quantify and understand the spatial relationships of shapes and objects. Measurement involves quantifying physical properties such as length, area, volume, weight, and time. However, geometry focuses on the properties and relationships of shapes, lines, and points. Together, measurement and geometry are essential for helps us to solve practical problems and apply mathematical concepts to real-world situations. Angles are a critical concept within geometry, categorized based on their degree measurements. Right angles measures exactly 90 degrees. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Now let us have first the points, lines, and planes. What is a point? A mathematical point has no size. It is a specific location in space. Some models of a point are the edges of a book and a tightly stretched wire. It has no thickness nor width, like what was shown in the television. We have here the point, and next one is the line. A line is a set of points which has direction that goes on forever. However, in most cases, we are only interested with a definite portion of a line. A definite portion of a line, the most common line sa ato is this one. But a line has a direction that goes on forever. So that is the line. For example, the set of points A, B, and all points between A and B are shown in the figure. We have here A, B. We have here the point A and B. But since it is a line, that's what I've said, line is a set of points. So here it consists of points. Such a portion of the line is called a line segment AB. It's called a line segment. Line segment AB written as this one. So we have here the line. Diba? And the point A and B, in which it is a portion of a line. Gets lang? It is called line segment AB. It is named by its endpoints. For example, the endpoints are C and D. Therefore, it is called line segment CD. The next one is a plane. A plane is a set of points just like the line in which it is represented by a flat surface like the cover of a book or the surface of a table. Now let us proceed to the rays and angles. A ray is a part of a line that extends indefinitely in one direction. It is named by writing the end point first and then another point on the ray. For example, we have here the line A, line segment AC. However, a ray is just a part of a line. So for example here, we have ray AB of line A to C. Gets lang? Line AC, the ray is ray AB. So a ray is just a part of a line. Next is the angle. An angle is formed by two rays with a common endpoint. This means that an angle is a set of points contained in the two rays. Like this one. The common endpoint is called the vertex. We have here the vertex of the angle, while the two rays are the sides of the angle. The two rays are ray AC and ray AB, which are the sides of the angle. And we have here the vertex of the angle. Gets that? Next is measuring angles. First one, a protractor is used to measure angles. I have here a protractor, the original protractor and the improvised protractor, because I can't afford to buy you na protractor. And next is the most common unit of measure for angle is the degree. The symbol for degree is this one. Thus 30 degrees is written as 30 degrees. So how do we measure angles? What is the tool that we use? Protractor. And the unit of measurement is degree. Okay. Next, to use the protractor, simply place the center of the protractor on the vertex of the given angle, with one side of the angle corresponds with the ray labeled 0. For example, we place the protractor here. Then, the other side of the given angle will then correspond to some ray labeled with a number less than 180 degrees. That number is the measure of the given angle in degrees. Like for example, in angle BAC. So, diba, ang isa is sa 0, the 0, and here is the endpoint or the, what do you call the endpoint? Vertex. And the angle is 40 degrees. So 40 is, we have here 10, 20, 30, 40. So this one. So that is how we measure the angle. So this angle is 40 degrees. The angle BAC. Gets lang? So another example. An angle that measures, for example, we have angle DEF that measures 70 degrees. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Imani siya ang angle DEF which measures 70 degrees. Next, the classes of angles. So we know how to measure the angles. Now, here are the classes of angles. First one is the acute angle. Acute angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. Like here, example is the 40 degrees. It is greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees. So it is an acute angle. For example, another example. Mag-measure sa ata. An angle 20 degrees. HIG. It is 20 degrees. It is an acute angle. Acute angle measures greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. Okay, the next one is the right angle. Right angle is an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. A small square is usually used to indicate a right angle. So, just like this one. So, a right angle, you just that it measures exactly 90 degrees. If it is 91, it is not right angle. If it is, for example, 89 degrees, it is acute angle because right angle is measures exactly 90 degrees. For example, 75 degrees, acute angle. And also, you will notice the square na ma-form. For example, we will use the protractor. The end point here. And here's the 90. It is the 90 degrees. It is a right angle. And the last one is the obtuse angle. It is an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Like for example, the angle HGI, which measures 120 degrees, which is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. So, an acute angle is greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. Right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is 180 degrees. Okay. Angles are essential components of geometry classified into three main types: right, acute, and obtuse, based on their degree measurements. Right angles measure exactly 90 degrees, acute angles are less than 90 degrees, and obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Again, what is the common endpoint where two rays meet which form vertex? And what tool did we use to measure angles? Accurate measurement and classification of these angles are crucial for solving practical problems in various fields such as construction, art, and navigation. Understanding these concepts lays a strong foundation for more advanced mathematical topics and real-world applications. So that's all. Now let us proceed to our assessment. But before that, I only have 15 protractors, so we will have our assessment by pair. So come on, Ken. Please follow. Ito lang yung ipasa na papel. By pair. Your 10 minutes first. Yes, by pair. You have 5 minutes left. You have 4 minutes left. Wait up. Wait up. Quiet. Ano siya pa? 600. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, we're done. Goodbye everyone.